Now, BJP's firebrand MP in Rajya Sabha, Dr. Subramanian Swamy, has done it again, and this time he's launched a scathing attack on the Delhi Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal. Of course, Dr. Swamy went on to target Delhi's Lieutenant Governor, Najib Jung. Let's get you a ground report.
Battling to get an apology out of Arvind Kejriwal, BJP MP Mahesh Giri got a huge boost with a visit by the man whose reputation precedes him. Subramanian Swamy reached the protest site and minced no words in attacking the Delhi Chief Minister.
मैं इनके समर्थन में आया हूं क्योंकि केजरीवाल ने या उनके साथियों ने ऐसे बेहुदा आरोप लगाई है। वैसे आश्चर्य तो नहीं होता है कि वो ऐसे ही लोग हैं। उनकी मूल सिद्धांत तो नक्सलाइट है।
Swamy even vowed to expose Kejriwal's purported IIT degree.
सारे जीवन भर उन्होंने फ्रॉड किया है। आईआईटी में मैं मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं, परंतु अभी तक उसका किस प्रकार से वो एडमिशन लिया वो मेरे पास रिकॉर्ड्स है। मैं कभी एक बार प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करूंगा। अभी मैं राजन के पीछे पड़ा था, वो अब वो चले गया है, उसकी अंत्येष्टि होने वाली है।
However, not stopping at that, Swamy launched a scathing attack on Delhi Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung, accusing him of hobnobbing with the Congress.
यहाँ क्या ये लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर कर रहा है? उसको तो एपी माने अहमद पटेल की शाम को चक्कर लगाना और कोई काम करता नहीं है।
With Swamy's stinging attack on RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan having achieved the desired results, Swamy now seems to have found his new target. And with the reputation that BJP MP enjoys, the Aam Aadmi Party would certainly do well to devise an effective counter. Bureau Report, India Today.
BJP MP Mahesh Giri is on a fast. He's on a hunger strike outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. He joins me on the broadcast. Mr. Giri, Arvind Kejriwal says you should be arrested and you should undergo custodial interrogation. आपकी गिरफ्तारी होनी चाहिए और आपकी गिरफ्तारी के बाद पूछताछ होनी चाहिए। क्या कहेंगे आप?
देखिए, मैंने स्वयं पत्र लिखा है कमिश्नर साहब को कि अगर आपको लगता है इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके कुछ करना है तो मैं यहीं बैठा हूँ, आप आ जाइए, ले जाइए और जो भी करना है कीजिए, पर गलत आरोप मत लगाइए। आप मुझे बताइए, पुलिस कहती है कि आपके ऊपर कोई आरोप है ही नहीं, कोई प्राथमिक जांच में कुछ निकल नहीं रहा, हम जबरदस्ती गिरफ्तार नहीं कर सकते। तो इसीलिए जनता के सामने सच जाना चाहिए। इसीलिए मैंने कहा कि वो बाहर आके बताए। अभी मुझे कैलाश जी ने बताया कि गृह मंत्री और एलजी ये मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर होते हैं। गृह मंत्रालय के नीचे सभी जांच एजेंसियां आती है। गृह मंत्रालय को इन्होंने कहा है कि जल्द से जल्द इसकी जांच करवाइए और महेश गिरी जी का कोई रोल है तो वो गिरफ्तारी के लिए तैयार है, नहीं तो निवेदन जी।
लेकिन दिल्ली के जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल, उनका एक सीधा प्रश्न है। उनका ये कहना है कि वो जो विवादित कनॉट होटल के मालिक हैं रमेश कक्कड़, उनके साथ आपके क्या संबंध हैं? वो क्यों नहीं आप उस बात को उजागर कर रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल नहीं जानता, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं जानता, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं जानता। मुझे नहीं कोई पता कौन रमेश कक्कर, ना मैं उसको मिला हूँ। मुझे यही तो यहीं पर इसलिए हड़ताल पे बैठा और इतनी घर के सामने आया। वो वहाँ नहीं आए तो उनके घर के पास आया कि भाई जाने दो, मैं भी तो पूछूं सच क्या है।
लेकिन अगर आप उनको जानते नहीं तो ये जो बात कही जा रही है कि आप दिल्ली के जो लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर हैं नजीब जंग, आप उनके पास गए और कनॉट होटल के मालिक की आपने तरफदारी की, क्या इस बात में सच्चाई नहीं है? दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री ने आपसे थोड़ी देर पहले यह बात कही है।
देखिए, एक सिंपल सी बात है, हमने एक ही बात बार बार कही है कि जब भी कोई रिकमेंडेशन किया जाता है तो संवैधानिक पद से कैसे किया जाता है। जैसे करण सिंह तंवर जी ने लेटर लिखा वैसे एमपी भी एक लेटर लिखता है, क्या आपके पास कोई लेटर है? आप कोई ऐसे ही मनगढ़ंत संपर्क की बातें पहले कहते हो साथ में लेके गए थे। आप बयान इनके 5-7 दिन के बयान निकाल के देखो, पहले कहते थे साथ में ले गए, फिर अचानक बयान बदल दिया, नहीं लेटर लिखा, अब लेटर मांग रहा हूं तो कह रहे संपर्क। अरे तुम क्या बेवकूफ़ी वाले बयान दे रहे हो? है कुछ सबूत तो लेकर के आओ।
क्या आप अपनी तरफ से दिल्ली पुलिस के पास जाएंगे और जो कुछ जानकारी आपके पास है इस मामले में, क्या आप पुलिस को ये जानकारी देंगे?
मैं दिल्ली पुलिस को फोन करके भी कहा था कल, उन्होंने कहा कि हम जबरदस्ती गिरफ्तार नहीं कर सकते। मैंने ट्वीट पे भी किया। फिर आज जब वो केजरीवाल जी कह रहे हैं कि मैं पुलिस दबाव में, तो मैंने स्वयं मीडिया के सामने पत्र लिखकर रिक्वेस्ट की किसी के भी दबाव में ना आए, और अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ मेरा इसमें है इन्वॉल्वमेंट, अरेस्ट करके देखें आप सच्चाई क्या है। नहीं तो केजरीवाल की सच्चाई तो जनता के सामने आनी चाहिए, ये केवल आरोप लगा के भाग जाता है।
तो फिर आप कब तक इस तरह, आपकी मैंने सुना है तबीयत खराब हो रही है, आप कब तक इस तरह धरने पर बैठेंगे दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल के घर के सामने?
जब तक लोगों के सामने सच्चाई नहीं आती।
लेकिन अगर वो मना कर दे, इफ ही रिफ्यूजेस टू हैव अ डिबेट विद यू, बिकॉज ही हैज मेड इट वेरी क्लियर देयर इज नो डिबेट इन अ क्रिमिनल केस. That is not what the criminal justice system is. There has to be a police investigation. He is refusing a debate. What is your next course of action, Mr. Giri?
मैंने डिबेट का चैलेंज कल 4 बजे दिया था, वहां नहीं आए। मैं केवल इतना कह रहा हूं, लोगों के सामने आके सच बता दीजिए। या तो अब केजरीवाल जी नहीं बताएंगे तो उनके ऊपर एलजी है, उनके ऊपर गृह मंत्री है। अभी मुझे बताया है आपने कि सभी एजेंसियां उनके अंडर आती है, वो जांच करके जनता के सामने सच्चाई तो आए। मैं कोई केजरीवाल को मिलने का शौकीन हूँ इसलिए नहीं बैठा हूँ, वो आए थे मेरे पास मदद मांगने के लिए। मैं केवल इतना चाहता हूँ लोगों के सामने सच्चाई आए।
So, Dr. Subramaniam Swamy standing by you. Dr. Subramaniam Swamy आए, आपसे मिले, आपके साथ रहे, आपके पार्टी के सांसद मनोज तिवारी वो आपके साथ आए, लेकिन क्या ये आपकी निजी लड़ाई है या ये बीजेपी सरकार, जो राष्ट्र सरकार है, उसकी लड़ाई दिल्ली सरकार के साथ है, या बीजेपी और आम आदमी पार्टी के बीच पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई है ये?
देखिए, एक बात है, बीजेपी की लड़ाई है झूठ के खिलाफ, वो तो चल ही रही है। इस झूठ के खिलाफ आरोप लगाते लगाते जब उसने मुझे छेड़ा, मैं बेहद संवेदनशील व्यक्ति हूँ, मेरे लिए सम्मान बहुत बड़ी बात है, केजरीवाल के लिए नहीं है, क्योंकि वो कहीं भी जाके कुछ भी बोल देगा, किसी भी स्तर पर चला जाएगा, पर मेरे लिए ऐसा नहीं है। मेरे लिए सम्मान बहुत बड़ी बात है और उस सम्मान के लिए मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ। पार्टी भी साथ है और मैं पार्टी का ही कार्य करता हूँ, लड़ाई एक ही है ये।
Mahesh Giri, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. I also want to bring into this conversation Somnath Bharti, spokesperson for the Aam Aadmi Party, and R.P. Singh, National Secretary of the BJP. Somnath Bharti, you heard what Mahesh Giri said. He says, he claims there isn't an iota of evidence against him. The police have not arrested him. They have not questioned him because prima facie, he claims there is no case against him. He says this is politics by Arvind Kejriwal, sir.
Gaurav, I was very carefully listening what he was saying, and I was almost laughing at his statements. You know, the question is, it's a fact that Mr. M.M. Khan was a lawyer and was working with the NDMC. It's a fact that he was murdered on 16th of May 2016. It's a fact that on 6th of May 2016, a letter was written. I have a copy of the letter. This letter was written by Kanwar Singh Tamar to Honorable LG asking for his removal. M.M. Khan was to be removed because as per Mr. Karan Singh Tamar, he was supposed to be coming in the way of some hotel owner.
Okay.
And that is why he wanted him to be removed. It's a fact that on 10th of May 2016, a letter by the hotel owner is also written to Honorable LG. I have a copy of that also. Here is the letter, and in which he says that it would be pertinent to mention that this state officer is coming in my way. There is also a fact that a letter from LG office, this letter which is written by private secretary to Lieutenant Governor, it says, which is dated 12th of May 2016, it says attached is the letter submitted to Honorable Lieutenant Governor by Sri Mahesh Giri, Member of Parliament, East Delhi, which is self-explanatory. Now question is, he died, and Mr. M.M. Khan died, everybody is saying he's an honest officer. This man was honest to the core. He was offered a bribe of 3 crores, which he refused. His family today is hardly have any money to support education of the children. Now, in all these circumstances, when the matter was supposed to be probed by an investigating agency and truth should come out, what happens? Strangely, Mr. Mahesh Giri stages a dharna. Dharna for what? He says that he has not said the dharna for Mr. M.M. Khan's. He has not said dharna that murderer should be caught. He is saying that I have been accused by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Please give me certificate of innocence.
Respond to this. Respond to this, RP Singh.
Works in this country.
Respond to this, RP Singh. Was this letter not written by Karan Singh Tawar and Mahesh Giri? Why should the police not call them in for questioning, sir?
Now, give me a minute and I'll appreciate you will give me a patient hearing now. I'll appreciate, can Mr. Somnath Bharti show me a letter, an attachment of letter sent by Mr. Mahesh Giri, an attachment also along with. They're just showing a letter sent by Mr. Mahesh Giri. What is that letter about? Where is the attachment? And how falsehood can be brought in front and can be covered up in the garb of truth? Fact is, Mr. Kejriwal knew that there is a case which is coming against him on matter of corruption. To cover up that, he is doing this. And today the affair has been launched against Mr. Kejriwal against the corruption matter of 400 crore rupees Jal Board scam. And he is, to cover up that, he is doing so. I'm accusing of this now.
No, but explain this,
Mr.
sir.
Somnath Bharti
Sir,
can show me the letter
Mr. RP Singh, Mr. RP Singh,
along with.
Mr. RP Singh, just one question.
No, attachment.
Why?
Gaurav, ask him to show the letter.
No, so are you saying that the LG wrote the PS to the LG wrote a letter taking Mahesh Giri's name where he had not written such a letter? Is that what the BJP is saying?
Yes, I'm saying so that there is. Let me show what is the cover letter. I mean, the cover letter. What is the attachment along with? Can they show us attachment? What letter are they talking about?
Why would Karan Singh Tawar? Why would Karan Singh Tawar? Why would Karan Singh Tawar and Mahesh Giri anyway get involved?
Mr. Gaurav Sawant. No, Mr. Gaurav Sawant. Let's not trip the issue. Let's stick to Mahesh Giri. Let him show the letter of Mr. Mahesh Giri on record. I'm giving a challenge. Let him show the attachment along with the letter of Mr. Mahesh Giri.
Somnath Bharti, you want to respond to that? Is there a
Don't allow
letter?
your channel to be used for the false propaganda.
Is there such a letter, Mr. Somnath Bharti?
Gaurav,
No attachment, no letter.
Gaurav, it is such a, I mean, the problem there is that this letter, in fact, I told you the entire sequence of the letters. But what I'm trying to show you right away, this moment, which says that a letter is being forwarded by the office of Honorable LG to none less than chairperson in DMC. And this chairperson in DMC letter is dated 12th of May 2016,
Okay.
which is just 4 days before that murder took place.
Whose
And
letter is that?
17th of, that is the next day of that murder.
You are
judgment was
you
to
don't
come out.
spread lies of the channel.
Problem is
no, don't spread
that
lies
this
of the national
investigation-
channel. Whose letter it is?
This
What is that letter
investigation-
along with?
RP
This
Singh ji, one
letter
second,
was about
please.
changing the name
One
of
second,
the
one second.
What do you know what the letter
Tell me,
about is?
would you
No,
say,
you're telling lies.
would you say in yes or no?
Show me the attachment.
Would you
Show
say
me
in
the
yes or
attachment
no?
of the letter.
Would you say in yes or no? No. Would you say in yes or no?
What yes or no? I'm
Is Kamar
saying-
Singh Tawar
No, you're wrong.
not your leader?
You're telling lies. I'm telling
Is Kamar Singh Tawar not your leader?
Show me the attachment of the
Was
letter.
he not-
You are
was he
showing a
not-
governing
was he
note.
not
You are
accompanied
showing a
by
governing
Mahesh
note.
Giri to
I will
Honorable
not
LG's
accept that.
office?
You are showing a governing note.
Tell
Show
me,
us the attachment.
was he
Mr.
not-
Kejriwal
was he not-
suspect
was he
today
not
as the Chief
accompanied
Minister
by
for
Mahesh
spreading
Giri
lies.
to Mr. LG's office to extend some sort of benefit
No.
to that hotelier?
No.
Is it not a fact?
You are
Is it not a
telling
fact
lies.
that this Mr. M.M. Khan
You
was
are
coming in
telling
the
lies.
way
You are
of the
telling
hotelier?
lies. Mr.
No,
It is
Somnath
not a
Bharti,
fact
you are
that
But
telling
explain
lies.
Tamar
this,
Singh Tamar
gentlemen.
You are
is accused
telling
of
lies.
land grabbing?
You are a liar.
Gentlemen,
Where is
gentlemen,
the letter?
gentlemen, gentlemen.
Where is
Okay,
the letter?
instead of screaming,
Where is the letter?
gentlemen, instead of screaming,
You are
This
a
letter?
liar.
Mr.
This
Bharti,
letter
would you want to respond to
from
the
Mr.
allegation?
Shankar Babu.
Mr. Bharti, okay. RP Singh, give me a minute. RP Singh, give me a minute.
Show the attachment of the letter.
You know, it's not for India Today, and it's not for either of you gentlemen to prove guilt or innocence. It is for the police to investigate. But my point, Mr. Bharti, is there merit in RP Singh's allegation that because there was a water tanker scam under investigation, Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party came up with this allegation to counter that? Is there merit in that allegation? Mr. Bharti, would you want to respond to that?
Sir, it is a matter, I mean, I would only say that on Mr. R.P. Singh and his government and Mr. Modi has made a mockery of the entire judiciary system, has made a mockery of the entire police system, investigating agencies, that today absolutely the laughable stock. Problem is, they have all the investigating agencies, they have CBI, they have ACB, they have ED, they have Delhi Police. Our Delhi government has got no investigating agency. If all the investigating agencies are with Modi government, then Modi government should do a favor to Mr. Mahesh Giri, should do an investigation by any of the agencies and then bring truth out.
And
Rather than Mr. Mahesh Giri sitting outside Honorable Chief Minister's house, he should be
Talk
sitting
about
outside
Mr.
the house of Mr.
Kejriwal.
Rajnath Singh,
Okay.
asking that
Mr.
kindly
Kejriwal,
do
He
investigation.
is accused
So,
today
do investigation.
that there is an FIR against him.
Is
He
Mr.
must
Kejriwal a
quit.
court?
so are either of them open to investigation?
I'm telling you, Mr. Somnath Bharti, I'm telling you, show me the cover, show me the attachment with the cover note. Don't spread lies. I'm sticking to
Mr. R.P. Singh
issue.
Clearly
Show me the
answers-
Try to understand.
Clearly answers that will come forward in
I
a
wish-
police investigation, and not in
show
a
the
television
attachment.
debate.
letter is.
Okay,
So it's an
show the
allegation
cover note.
versus an allegation. Gentlemen, many thanks for joining me on the debate.
Mr. R.P. Singh,
No,
Many
where is the
thanks.
cover note? Where is the
Okay.
attachment along with it?
Let us see what police
Where's the letter,
investigations
Mr.
reveal in this
Kejriwal?
case. We'll be tracking that story very closely.